Look at this, guys. This is one of the reasons you're not seeing any videos. It's not the main reason. The main reason is I don't have a camera. And you're saying, well, how did you do this? Well, I did this after about 20 attempts because the video never goes wrong. Never goes right. Keeps corrupting. Now look at this. Now this is a massive downpour. Tropical storm. Absolutely. Look at that. Just wipe the lens, hold on. Try not to get the kids on camera. Look at that. Look at that. Brings all the kids out to have a watch. Show you basketball court. Try and hide the... It doesn't matter if I get this camera wet because it's gone. Look at the basketball court. Absolutely flooded. Ooh. So guys, it's only a quick video. You're probably not going to see any video from me for a long time. The trolls are going to say, oh, he's been kicked out of the Philippines. No, I haven't. It's just I have no camera. It's no good me going out to video anything, get back and the video's corrupted. So I've done it so many times and I'm at the end of my tether with it. So I'm not going to do any more videos until I eventually get a new camera. When that'll be, I don't know. But I'm saving for it, put it that way. Welcome to the Philippines. I love this, you know, but I don't love it every day. It's rather relaxing, don't you think? Now normally there'd be loads and loads of kids, but there's none today. I don't know why, and it's really heavy. I should keep like duplicating this over and over and over, and then put it on my PC and just listen to the rain. Really relaxing. Now Manny's shop's closed. I don't know why. Nobody's said anything. Don't know what they're doing. But it's all boarded up. Look at it. So if you like rain, welcome to the Philippines. It was sunny this morning, then all of a sudden it started clouding over, and now look at it. The person or persons that own the land has tried to put these concrete posts up, and for some reason they keep ending up on the floor. I don't know why. They've put a wall up there, look. There was not a wall there before. The wall seems to be staying where it should be at the moment. The thunder is massive. Thunder and lightning. Whoa, there, just got a flash. So that's it, guys. I mean, I wanted to do this, but I also wanted to tell you I'm probably going to disappear for quite a while until eventually I get a new camera. And even then, even if I got a new camera, I'm probably still going to disappear for a while. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you when we see you. Bye for now. Bye. Welcome to video.
Please subscribe to the Brit in the Philippines.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a